नमस्कार, this is Lakshmi Sharma, lecturer GWPC Sanganer, Jaipur. Today, the topic of our lecture is ready-made garments. What are ready-made garments? The garments which are available readily in the shops for different age groups with varied color combination, up-to-date styles, latest prints, trims, and also suitable for different occasion and seasons are known as the ready-made garments. Ready-made garments are those garments which are available for us in the various stores, various shops, in different color combination, in different styles. Basically, they are in different, the latest style, latest print, latest colors according to the trend going on. So the ready-made garments are readily available for us anytime at our considerable price, at our preferable price. Ready-made garments are sold by leading wholesale dealers, branded showrooms, retail outlets, small-scale boutiques and door-to-door vendors. Ready-made garments are available on the basis of standard body measurement. They are nowadays ready-made garments are available for newborns, toddlers, preschoolers, school-going children, teenagers and old age adults. For every age groups, there are certain different kind of shops available in the market. For example, First Cry, baby shops. There are so many shops which are particularly for certain like female oriented, like male garments के लिए different shops हैं, newborn babies के लिए different shops हैं, school going children, school uniforms के लिए अलग shops available है. The garment sizes available for each group are mentioned and also they are available in different sizes. The same pattern, same design are available in small size, medium size, large size, XL size, also double XL, 2XL, 3XL, etc. Ready-made garments are available for boys, girls, men and women suitable for various purposes which are categorized as. Nowadays, there are different type of shops with different types of different categories of the ready-made garments like regular wear, casual wear, occasional wear, special occasions, sleep wear. What is special occasions? आजकल हम देखते हैं कि many a times as soon as Christmas arrives, the Santa Claus dress is available. Janmashtami arrives, the Krishna dress is available. So special occasions के लिए भी आजकल special shops are there. Apart from this, ready-made garments are also available for special events. What are special events? They are like sportswear, swimwear, karate dress, dance dress, walking and jogging wear, bridal dress. Yes. So these are the different special events for which the dresses are available, readily available for us. Reasons for choice of ready-made garment. Why do we choose ready-made garment? Why don't go for the customized tailoring? Because they are of latest style, appealing designs are there because they are designed by the good designers. Different color combinations are there. Wonderful weave patterns, different textures, mix match styles, up to date with the fashion trends, amazing prints are there, maximum color combinations are used, aesthetic finishes are applied on it, plus many a times reversible garments are also available. Seasonal garments for all age groups. Yes, winter clothing are there, summer clothings are there. हम जाते हैं तो कई बार हमें शॉप से सुनने को मिलता है कि अब तो समर कलेक्शन आ गया है, अब तो विंटर कलेक्शन आ गया है. Yes, because there are separate winter clothing, separate summer clothing and clothing for all type of seasons are available, readily available in the market. So the ready-made garments are available for all income groups. The price of the garment is left purely on the personal choice. Yes, आजकल सभी प्राइसेस में हर किसी के बजट में ड्रेसेस अवेलेबल है, रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स अवेलेबल हैं. इफ द पर्सन वांट टू बाय विथ मिनिमम कॉस्ट, डेफिनेटली दे कैन बाय विथ देयर बजट. Those who wish to go for branded garments, no doubt they should bear the cost because of the quality. So different type of shops are there where according to price the things are available, the ready-made garments are available. The points to be considered while buying ready-made garment, there are few points which should be considered before purchasing the ready-made garment. The shop should be reliable. It should be in our budget. The color should suit us. Latest prints उस पे होने चाहिए. Suitable to the climate. Fast color fastness होनी चाहिए. वॉश एंड केयर इंस्ट्रक्शंस के लेबल उस पे लगे होने चाहिए. सूटेबल फॉर द ओकेजन, जिस ओकेजन के लिए हम खरीद रहे हैं उसके लिए वो सूटेबल होना चाहिए. हमारी मेजरमेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग वो उसका फिट प्रॉपर होना चाहिए. प्लीजिंग डिजाइन होना चाहिए. बहुत गॉडी या बहुत हार्ड कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस नहीं होने चाहिए. राइट चॉइस फॉर द अमाउंट पेड. हाँ, जो हम अमाउंट दे रहे हैं उतना वर्थ उस गारमेंट का होना चाहिए. एडिक्वेट ट्रिम्स, गुड वर्कमैनशिप उस पे होनी चाहिए. प्रॉपर स्टिचिंग, नीट स्टिचिंग, सफाई से वो गारमेंट बना होना चाहिए. एक्सेप्टेड स्टाइल, इट मीन्स it is according to the latest trend. Yes, satisfaction, उसको खरीदते वक्त हमें satisfaction होना चाहिए. At present, in almost all the shops, owners sell their garment with sales promotion motives. आजकल रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स जब हम खरीदने जाते हैं, various types of sale promotion techniques are there for us. Like different type of discounts are available, gift coupons, they provide us gift coupons, and buying today pay tomorrow are like the promotion activities which they perform to sell their product. Buy one take 2 or 3, bonus points for the purchase exceed for a particular amount. So this thing attracts us to buy the ready-made garment. As on today, we can see that most of the population is attracted or moved or tempted to buy means of catchy advertisement displayed by media. One should consider the following personal characteristics. हमेशा रेडीमेड गारमेंट खरीदने से पहले पर्सनल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स की, हमारी एज क्या है, किस ऑक्यूपेशन के लिए हम खरीद रहे हैं, हमारा इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस क्या है, व्हाट इज आवर लाइफस्टाइल, पर्सनालिटी एंड सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट. दिस साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स शुड ऑल्सो be considered before the purchasing, that is motivation, perception, attitude, reasoning, belief. Now having an idea about the ready-made garments, let's come to the merits and demerits of the ready-made garment. Merits means advantages. They are readily available, variety in styles and materials. The garments are for various seasons and occasions, could be purchased wherever necessary. Save time spent on construction as in case of tailor-made and homemade garment. ये हमारे टाइम जो हमारा खर्च होता है वो बचाता है. करंट ट्रेंड्स हमें फॉलो कर सकते हैं, हम उसे फॉलो करते हैं. ब्रांडेड गुड्स जो है कुड बी परचेज ऑन अवेलेबिलिटी. इजी केयर फैब्रिक्स आर अवेलेबल विथ लेबल इंस्ट्रक्शंस. बायर कैन ट्राई आउट गारमेंट्स फॉर पर्सनल फिटिंग. हम उसको पहले से ही ट्राई कर सकते हैं, ओकेजन के अकॉर्डिंग हम खरीद सकते हैं और टाइम कंज्यूमिंग नहीं है. हमें जब चाहिए हम उन्हें परचेज कर सकते हैं. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द डीमेरिट्स, नीड टू नो द प्रॉपर साइज. उसके लिए हमें हमारा प्रॉपर साइज पता होना चाहिए. प्रोजेक्ट द टेस्ट ऑफ द बायर का टेस्ट पता होना चाहिए. प्रॉपर फिटिंग इज नॉट पॉसिबल. कई बार कुछ साइजेस हमें फिट नहीं आते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सपेंसिव देन टेलर एंड होममेड गारमेंट्स. कई बार वो गारमेंट्स होममेड गारमेंट्स एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. सम ऑफ द रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स आर लेस ड्यूरेबल ड्यू टू पुअर क्वालिटी इन स्टिचिंग. सो knowing about the advantages and disadvantages and talking about the merits and demerit, हम ये कह सकते हैं कि demerits को merits overcome करते हैं because there are so many merits which motivate us to buy the ready-made garments as they are readily available and in according to the latest fashion trends. Thank you.